Hello students, welcome to Kenes Educare, a group of Kenes Solution. In this session, we are going to consider lesson number 16, The Universe from class 6th. So, what is the universe? So, universe has made up of lot of different things. It is made up of galaxy, it has a stars, it has a earth, it has a sun, everything that will include in the universe. So, let's talk about the universe. So basically, what we have to do, we have to observe and discuss. Make a use of telescope to observe the sky on a clear night without clouds. तो हमें क्या करना है? We just have to observe the sky at clear night with the help of telescope. So what we can observe? If you observe the clear sky on a dark night, you will see a smoky white band full of stars spreading north-south in the sky. This is the Milky Way. It is also known as a Mandakini. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, दिस इज अ मिल्की वे दैट कैन बी ऑब्जर्व थ्रू द टेलीस्कोप. उसको हम मंदाकिनी भी बोलते हैं. दैट स्प्रेड्स फ्रॉम नॉर्थ साउथ इन द स्काई. A group of innumerable stars and their planetary system are together is known as a galaxy. तो जो stars रहते हैं and जो planetary system है, there are various planets, उनको हम togetherly बोलते हैं galaxy. And Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system is located. तो Milky Way में क्या located है? It has located with the solar system. The Milky Way is a part of local group of galaxies. Okay, and there are many such galaxies in the universe. बहुत सारे ऐसे galaxy हैं जिसमें stars and planetary systems हैं. And the Milky Way is the galaxy in which solar system is located. जिसमें solar system है. Now, Milky Way include many stars smaller than our sun as well as many other that are 1,000 times bigger than the sun. So it has stars greater than sun, size having a size greater than sun, having a size smaller than the sun. It also includes many other celestial bodies, cluster of stars, nebulas, clouds of gases, clouds of dust, dead stars, newly born stars. The galaxy that is closest to our Milky Way is called Andromeda. तो गैलेक्सी में क्या है? इट हैज अ वेरियस थिंग्स लाइक इट हैज अ सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज है, स्टार्स है, नेब्यूल है, क्लाउड्स ऑफ गैसेस है, clouds of dust है, okay, dust particles, and there are also dead stars and newly born stars. So this is a part of the galaxy. And the universe includes innumerable galaxies, the space between them, and also energy. यूनिवर्स में क्या है? इट हैज इन्यूमरेबल गैलेक्सीज जिसमें बहुत सारे इन्यूमरेबल स्टार्स है, जिसमें प्लानिटरी सिस्टम्स है, एंड द स्पेस बिटवीन देम एंड ऑल्सो द एनर्जी. तो यूनिवर्स में सब कुछ आता है, उसमें गैलेक्सी आते हैं, उसमें स्टार्स आते हैं, उसमें स्पेस एंड द एनर्जी भी आती है. You can able to see the types of various galaxies identify according to the shape. So this is a spiral galaxy, this is an elliptical galaxy, this is a barrel spiral galaxy, and this is an irregular galaxy. You can able to see the various shapes of the galaxy and unke naam: spiral, elliptical, barrel, irregular. Now, the scientist Edwin Hubble shows that there exist many galaxies beyond our Milky Way. And in 1990, NASA, the American Space Agency, launched the Hubble telescope in the orbit of the Earth. So they launched one telescope, Hubble telescope, in 1990. And the Hubble telescope has made it easier to look for stars, to take a photographs, and to obtain spectrum. So this telescope was generated, rather it was simply designed for observing the stars. Okay, and the photographs can be taken in the broad spectrum. Let's talk about the stars. Now, the telescope, the Hubble telescope, the thousands of twinkling stars that we observe in the clear night sky are a part of our Milky Way. तो जो stars हम देखते हैं, they are the part of Milky Way. Some of the stars that we see are bright, whereas some are faint. कुछ bright रहता है, कुछ faint रहता है. Stars radiating different colors such as the blue, white, yellow, reddish can be seen in the sky. We also see the stars with a varying brightness. तो जो स्टार्स हमें दिखते हैं, वी कैन सी द stars with the different colors, with the blue, white, yellow, reddish. The birthplace of a star are the huge nebulas made up of dust particles and gases. उसमें बहुत सारे dust particles है, gaseous है. Generally, the surface temperature of a star ranging from 3500 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. तो ये जो स्टार सरफेस रहता है स्टार का, it has a temperature in the range of 3500 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. Okay, now the color of the stars changes according to their temperature. तो ये जो temperature के difference की वजह से the color of the star changes because surface का temperature इस range में है and उसी की वजह से उसके color change होते रहते हैं. Now, what are the some types of stars? First is a sun-like star, then red giant, then supernova, then binary or twin stars, then variable stars. So, ये जो है these are some types of stars. Sun-like star, red giant star, supernova, binary, variable star. So these are the stars. Now let's talk about stars in detail. The stars can be slightly smaller or bigger than the sun. Sun-like star मतलब जिनकी size it is slightly smaller, थोड़ी सी sun की size से कम रहती है और bigger, slightly bigger than the sun. But there is a lot of difference in their temperature. Stars like Cygnus, Alpha Centauri, these are the name of stars which are slightly smaller or bigger than the sun. Then red giant, the temperature of the stars ranges between the 3000 to 4000 degrees Celsius. इनको हम red giant क्यों बोलते हैं? Because उनका temperature जो है that is in the range of 3000 to 4000 degrees Celsius. But their luminescence can be 100 times that of the sun. उनका जो illuminating capacity है, radiating capacity है, that is 100 times that of the sun. Their diameter is 10 to 100 times that of the sun and they are red in color. Okay, sun से उनकी जो diameter रहता है, it is greater as compared to sun. It is about 10 to 100 times that of the sun. If we talk about the supernova, these are even brighter and larger than the red giant star. Red giant stars से भी बड़े size के रहते हैं, they are more brighter. The temperature range is between the 3000 to 4000 degrees Celsius, but the diameter can be more than 100 times greater than that of the sun. Sun से भी ज़्यादा देखो, red giant में 10 to 1000 times greater than of the sun, लेकिन supernova में उससे भी बड़े रहता है, that is a almost it can be more than 100 times greater than that of the sun. Now let's talk about the binary or twin star. More than a half of the stars in the sky are binary stars. They consist of two stars that revolve around each other. At times, 3 or 4 stars that revolve around each other have also been located. So more than half of the stars जो रहते हैं, they are binary. They consist of two stars revolve around each other. मतलब they revolve around each other. एक दूसरे के पीछे घूमते रहते हैं. So these are the binary or twin star, and at a times 3 or 4 times that the revolve around each other have also been located. मतलब 3 to 4 times भी. If we talk about the variable star, the luminescence and shape of this stars is not stable. इनका जो luminescence है, इनका shape है, it is not stable. They are constantly contracting or expanding. When a star expands, it emits less energy, and at such time, its brightness decreases. As against this, when star contract, its surface temperature increases and the star emits greater energy and appears brighter. For example, Polaris. Variable star अगर हम consider करते हैं तो उनका luminance and shape stable नहीं रहता. It is changing. Okay, it is constantly contracting or expanding. Contract भी होता है, expand भी होता है. So it when the stars emits, see, when the star expands, it emits less energy. जब expand होता है तो less energy emit होता है, and उसकी brightness जो है, and at such time its brightness decreases because वो less energy emit करते हैं and इसकी वजह से उसका brightness कम होता है. Whereas अगर वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं तो वो ज्यादा एनर्जी इमिट करते हैं. When they contract, its surface temperature increases and the star emit greater energy. Okay, contract होता है तो ज्यादा एनर्जी इमिट करते हैं and they will be brighter. So this is about the types of stars. Now, can you tell which celestial bodies form the solar system? What is the difference between the stars and planets? How many planets are there in our solar system? What is to be found between the Mars and Jupiter? तो ये सारे सवालों के जवाब हम ढूंढने वाले हैं. Let's talk about the solar system. The solar system consists of sun, planet, asteroid, comets, meteors. The planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn can be easily seen. तो सोलर सिस्टम में क्या है? सोलर सिस्टम में सन है, सोलर सिस्टम में प्लैनेट्स है, एस्टेरॉइड्स है, कॉमेट्स है, मेटोर्स है एंड प्लैनेट्स है. मर्क्यूरी है, वेनस है, मार्स है, जुपिटर है, सैटर्न है. दे कैन बी सीन इजीली. तो मर्क्यूरी, वेनस, अर्थ, Mars are the inner planets, whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planet. तो inner planet कौन से है? Mercury, Venus, Earth and the Mars. Whereas outer planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. Outer planets have a rings around them. ये जो बाहर के planets है, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they have a ring around them. And the crust of all inner planets is hard. The outer planet have gaseous outer the cover. The crust of all inner planet का जो crust है, that is hard. And if we talk about the outer planet, they have a gaseous outer cover. So this is about the solar system. It has various planets. Let's talk about the sun. Sun, which is at the center of the solar system, is yellow color star. Its surface temperature is around 6000 degrees Celsius. Sun जो है उसका जो color है, it is yellow in color and the temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. The size of the sun is so huge that around 13 lakh planets of the size of the earth can be easily placed within it. Sun की size इतनी बड़ी है that 13 लाख प्लैनेट के साइज ऑफ अर्थ उसमें बैठ सकते हैं. मतलब अर्थ की जितनी साइज है उससे उस साइज के 13 लाख प्लैनेट उसमें सेट हो सकते हैं. Due to gravitational force of the sun, the celestial bodies in the solar system revolve around it. Gravitational force की वजह से celestial body जो है that revolves around the solar system, and the diameter of sun is approximately 1392000 kilometer. It is approximately 13,92,000 kilometer. इतना बड़ा diameter है sun का. The sun rotates around its axis. While doing so, it revolves around the center of the Milky Way, taking the solar system along with it. The sun rotates around its axis. While doing so, it revolves around the center of the Milky Way. Okay, तो sun क्या करता है? It rotates around the axis and even revolve around the Milky Way, taking a solar system. यहाँ पे आप planets देख सकते हो. Planets of the solar system, facts and figure. Mercury, number of known satellite 0, Venus 0, Earth 1, Mars 2, Jupiter 64, Saturn 33, Uranus 27, Neptune 13. If we talk about the inclination of these planets in degrees, it is for Mercury 0.01, for Venus 177.2 in degree, Earth has a 23.5 degree inclination, Mars has a 25.2 degree inclination, Jupiter 3.1, Saturn 26.7, Uranus 97.9, Neptune 28.8 degree. These are the inclination of the axis. If we talk about the period of rotation, Mercury takes 58.65 days for one rotation. Venus takes 243 days. Earth takes 24 hours for one rotation. Mars takes 24 hours 37 minutes. Jupiter takes 9 hours 56 minutes. Saturn takes 10 hours 40 minutes. Uranus 17 hours 24 minutes. Neptune 16 hours 11 minutes. So this is a period of rotation. Okay. अगर हम पीरियड ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन कंसिडर करें, मतलब एक रिवॉल्यूशन के लिए मर्क्यूरी टेक्स 88 days around the sun, Venus take 225 days, Earth takes 1 year 365 days, Mars takes 1.88 years, Jupiter take 11.87 years, Saturn take 29 years, Uranus take 84 years, Neptune takes 164 years. Magnetism देखो, Mercury has no magnetism, Venus has no magnetism, Earth has a magnetism, Mars has no magnetism, Jupiter has magnetism, Saturn has a magnetism, Uranus has magnetism, Neptune has a magnetism. If we talk about the atmosphere, Mercury has no atmosphere. Venus has atmosphere, Earth has atmosphere, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all these planets have a atmosphere. रिंग की बात करें तो मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, दीज आर विदाउट रिंग्स, उनके अराउंड रिंग नहीं है. बट जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरानस एंड नेपच्यून हैज अ रिंग अराउंड देम. So this is the few basic information about the planets. Let's talk about the planets. Mercury. This is the closest to the Earth. This is the closest to the sun. Sun से सबसे closed है Mercury. It is visible in the morning and in the evening if it is away from the sun. वो visible है if it is towards, मतलब if it is close to the sun. A number of depressions which look like a volcanic creature but are actually caused by meteoric falls can be seen on the surface of Mercury, and Mercury is the fastest moving planet. It is the fastest moving planet, and you can able to see the number of depressions which look like a volcanic creature, but they are actually caused due to the meteoric fall. तो meteoric fall की वजह से उसके surface के ऊपर number of depressions you could able to see, you can able to see, and it is the fastest moving planet. If we talk about the Venus, it is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is seen in the sky in the east before the sunrise. Sunrise से पहले east में Venus we can able to observe. In the west after the sunset. Sunset के बाद we can able to see to the west. It rotates around itself from east to west. It is the hottest planet. Okay, Venus is the hottest planet. Earth, it is the third planet of the solar system. No other planet other than Earth has life on it. तो अर्थ ऐसा एक ही प्लैनेट है जिसके ऊपर, जिसके साथ लाइफ करी है. दे हैव द अर्थ हैज अ लाइफ ऑन इट. तो ह्यूमन बीइंग वी सर्वाइव ऑन द अर्थ. इट इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल. एज द अर्थ इज अ मैग्नेट, देयर इज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड द अर्थ. इट डाइवर्ट्स द हार्मफुल रेज फ्रॉम द सन टुवर्ड्स द पोलर रीजन ऑफ द अर्थ. तो क्या होता है, as the earth has its magnetic field, it diverts harmful rays which are coming from the sun towards it, and it diverts it to the polar region of the earth. Talking about the Mars, it is the fourth planet in the solar system. As the soil on the Mars contain iron, its color is reddish. Mars का color reddish है because it has a iron, it contains iron. Hence the Mars is also known as a red planet. उसका color reddish है इसलिए उसको red planet भी कहा जाता है. The highest and longest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on the Mars. तो highest and longest mountain जो है in the solar system, that is Olympus Mons, that is located on the Mars. Jupiter की बात करें तो it is the largest planet of the solar system. सबसे बड़ा है. It is huge, that has many as 1,397 planets of the size of the earth can get accommodated. Sun की size है बड़ी, but other than that even the Jupiter has the largest planet of the solar system, largest planet है. उसमें 1,397 planets जिसकी size अर्थ के equal है वो accommodate हो सकते हैं. Even though the planet is huge, it revolves around itself with a great speed. उसका speed भी अच्छा है. As a huge storms occur frequently on it, it also called a stormy planet. बहुत ज्यादा storms उस planet पे रहता है इसलिए उसको हम stormy planet भी कह सकते हैं. Talking about the Saturn, it is the sixth planet of the solar system and next only to Jupiter in size. Jupiter के बाद Saturn की size आती है. It is considered to be a peculiar planet because of the rings around it. उसके around rings है. Though its mass is 95 times that of the Earth, its density is very low. ओके उसका मास अर्थ से भी ज्यादा है लेकिन फिर भी उसकी डेंसिटी बहुत ज्यादा कम है. इट इज वर ड्रॉप इनटू द सी लार्ज एनफ टू होल्ड इट. इट वुड एक्चुअली फ्लोट इन इट. ओके इफ इट वर ड्रॉप, अगर हम उसे समुंदर में फेंक दे तो इवन इट विल एक्चुअली फ्लोट ऑन इट बिकॉज उसकी डेंसिटी उतनी कम है. Talking about the Uranus, it is the seventh planet in the solar system. It cannot be seen without a telescope. Its axis is so greatly inclined that it appears as if it rolling along an orbit. Okay, उसका axis इतना greatly inclined है कि वो ऐसे दिखता है कि it is rolling in the orbit. Neptune की बात करें तो it is the eighth planet in the solar system. Season on Neptune lasts for 41 years. On this planet, wind blows with extremely high speed. इस planet पे बहुत ज़्यादा wind speed ज़्यादा रहता है and a season lasts for 41 years on Neptune. Talking about the satellite now. The celestial bodies that revolve around the planet without independently revolving around the sun is called satellite. तो सैटेलाइट इंडिपेंडेंटली मूव नहीं करती. ओके दे आर celestial bodies. Like a planet, satellites rotates around their respective axis. The moon is the natural satellite of Earth. वो naturally revolve होती है. It does not have an atmosphere. Its period rotation and revolution are both of 27.3 days. उसका period 27.3 days का है. Except for Mercury and Venus, all other planets have satellites but in varying number. ओके ऑल द प्लैनेट्स एक्सेप्ट मर्क्यूरी एंड विनस, बाकी के सभी प्लैनेट्स को सैटेलाइट है. ओके मून इज अ सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ, बाकी प्लैनेट्स को भी अदर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द एस्टेरॉइड, अ ग्रेट नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल साइज बॉडीज कुड नॉट टर्न इनटू प्लैनेट. ओके तो ऐसे भी बड़े ऐसे भी डिफरेंट बॉडीज है that cannot be converted into the planets and when solar system was formed but they continues to revolve around the sun. These bodies are known as an asteroid. उसको हम बोलते हैं asteroid. A belt such as a celestial body has formed between the planet Mars and Jupiter. तो planet Mars and Jupiter के बीच में you can consider that as a belt. Talking about the dwarf planet, a small sized celestial body that revolves independently around the sun is called dwarf planet. A celestial body like a Pluto can be classified as a dwarf planet. Okay, so small size celestial body को हम dwarf planet कह सकते हैं. Okay, it is like a Pluto can be classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto takes around 248 years to complete its revolution around the sun, whereas it takes 6.38 days to one rotation. Pluto around takes 248 years to complete its revolution around the sun, और बाकी के जो है it will take 6.38 days for one rotation. Now, can you tell how you ever seen the evening or in the pre-dawn hours large celestial body with a long tail? What is they called? उसको हम बोलते हैं comet. A comet. A comet is a celestial body that revolves around the sun. Comets are formed out of an ice dust particles. Dust particle and ice से comets बने हैं. They are a part of solar system. Solar system के ही part है. Since the olden times, the appearance of the comets has been considered to be an inauspicious event. Okay, तो ये जो comet की appearance है, that is somewhat inauspicious event. Comets appear like a points when they are far away from the sun. जब भी वो sun से दूर रहता है, at that time it appears to be point size. But they are very close to the sun, they become easily visible to us because of the shorter distance and heat of the sun. So when they are close to the sun, they become easily visible because of the shortest distance and sun की heat की वजह से वो easily दिख जाते हैं. Comets are made up of frozen matter, dust particle, and when they are close to sun, this frozen matter gets converted into gas, dust to the solar heat. Okay, जो frozen matter है, that when this comets get close to the sun, obviously sun की heat इतनी ज़्यादा है कि वो frozen matter convert हो जाएगा gas में, and this gases get thrown in a direction away from the sun. As a result, certain comets appear to have a long feathery tail. So ये जो gases है, these gases get thrown in the direction away from the sun. Sun के दूर से, मतलब like these gases are thrown opposite to sun, okay, and the comets appears to have a long feathery tail. Due to that उनको long tail मतलब observe होती है. Appears to have a long feathery tail. Due to their long elliptical orbit, their appearance in the sky is very rare. They reappear in the sky after very long period. तो ये जो comets रहते हैं, they have a elliptical orbit, and due to that they appear very rarely appear होते हैं, and बहुत ज़्यादा time के बाद वो दिखते हैं. So comets are classified into two main groups. दो group में classified है, long period comet, short period comet. Talking about the long period comet, these are comets take more than 200 years to complete one revolution around the sun. जो 200 years से भी ज्यादा span लेते हैं to complete one revolution around the sun, उनको हम बोलेंगे long period. Short period जिनका टाइमिंग लेस देन 200 years से कम है, उनको हम बोलेंगे short period. So this comet takes less than 200 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Now, do you know this? Halley's comet appeared in the year 1910 and reappeared in 1986. उसके बाद वो 1986 में दिखा. Its central part or a nucleus was found to be 16 kilometer long and 7.5 kilometer wide. उसका जो central part था, that was found to be 16 kilometer long and 7.5 kilometer wide. Halley's comet takes 76 years to complete its revolution around the sun. Halley's comet क्या करता है? It takes 76 years to complete its revolution around the sun. If we talk about a bit fun, we need a table fan, bangles, piece of light cloth, twin string thread as shown in the figure. See the cloth around the bangles. What we have to do? Bangle के around हमें बस cloth को ये करना है. Take a string as long as the length of the cloth, tie it to a bangle. Now hold the bangle in front of the fan and put on the fan. Okay, so obviously it will definitely show the direction of air. Okay, that is caused by the fan. So this is a fun activity that you can do. In the past, Fred Whipple, an American astronomer, proposed that comets consist of an icy cluster of various constituents. It has an icy constituents. That is why comets came to be called as a dirty snowball. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Dirty snowball. And by 1950, Whipple had discovered 6 comets. जैसे उसने 6 comet discover किए. Let's talk about meteor. At times we see falling star. This event is called meteor fall. Most of these meteor are rocky pieces originating from the asteroid belt. तो ये जो meteor है, these are the pieces originating from asteroid belt. जो asteroid का belt है, उससे जो pieces होते हैं, that is a meteor. Smaller rocky pieces get completely burned due to the friction with the air and after they enter the earth atmosphere. Sometimes the meteorites do not burn completely and they fall to the surface of earth, and these are called meteorites. It is believed that the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra has been formed by the impact of such meteorite. So Maharashtra में Lonar Lake है, that is formed due to the falling of this type of meteor. And this meteors or meteorites fall occurs on the other celestial bodies too. Okay, so these are simply the part of the pieces of asteroidal belt, which are the simply the rocky stony like a structure. Now always remember, science tries to explain different events occurring in the universe. We should study phenomena like a meteor falls, eclipse, rather than the attach any blind faith or superstition with them. What we have learned, there are innumerable galaxies in the universe. Solar system, various stars clusters are part of the Milky Way. Various types of stars like a sun can be seen in the Milky Way. Different planets in the solar system have a peculiar characteristics. Some planets have satellites, whereas others do not have any. Comets have a characteristic structure, but their appearance keeps on changing. If we talk about the different planets in the solar system, they have a peculiar characteristics, and some planets have a satellite. Comets characteristic structure, but their appearance keeps on changing. So in this way, we have briefly talk about the various types of planets. We have seen the each and every detail about each and every planet. We have talked about the meteorites, we have talked about the asteroids, and we have also talked about the celestial bodies and about the satellites. So here we have completed this chapter successfully. Thank you.